Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Mangaliswe uJesu Kristu. Manje thanda ngifisa sibuke ivangeli kaLukas chapter 1 from verse 39. Manje thanda izikuba umkhosi wendlovukazi yezulu yekuselwa ezulwini. Sikuba umkhosi la uJesu ethatha unina ephelelisa inkonzo ngokuba ambuyisele la ekhona kwesonele sikaNkulunkulu ethi ma la ngikhona ngiyafisa nawe ube khona. Ma la ngikhona ngiyafisa nawe ube khona. Ma lokho engidlayo ngiyafisa nawe ukudle. Ma lentokozo enginayo ngiyafisa nawe uyizwe. Ma lokujabula esengikuzwa ngiyafisa nawe uzwe. Khona lento eyenziwa ingane uma izinto zihamba kahle ebisithi ingane sengiphila ebuseni wemkhuleko kamawami. Atho bhala kahle evangelini likaJohane chapter 19 umuJesu eselenge siphambalweni ebesekunina ebesethi ma nansi indodana bese kuJohanesi athi mkwethu athi namnyoko athi mangadelo wakwethu ebesethi mkwethu uzungadelisa kwesaba. Thando zama ukwazi ukukhuluma ngoMaria ungakhuluma ngoJesu. Konje kaMaria ngokwakhe akayilutho. Maria uyintombazane efana namanye amantombazane. Unkosikazi ofana namanye amakhosikazi. The only difference eyenza uMaria athi ukuhluka isibeletho sakhe. Wavuma ukuba uNkulunkulu amsebenzise. Wavuma ukuba uNkulunkulu amethembe ngenkosi yethu uJesu Kristu. Kodwa umbuzo engifuna uqala ukubona namhlanje kuseni, how's your relationship with your mother? How's your relationship number one? Sipho sokuqala uNkulunkulu asipha sona sabazali. Kazi ngithi akekho owa-aplya wathi Nkosi ngicela usibanibani nabo mama, cela usibanibani nabo baba. Sipho sokuqala uNkulunkulu akuphe sona somzali wakho. Bathi abahlakaniphile bathi uNkulunkulu wakho wasemhlabeni umzali wakho. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu ayibekile olimini lomzali wakho athi mekhuluma ukuphila maqedane kube khona. Kazi ngithi mina ngiyisaba inyembezi zomuntu omdala. Ngoba uma ifika kabi hlase zindalela udaka. Kodwa mayisahla sizinhle athi kodwa mntana wami ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu ngawe. Athi kodwa mntana wami intokozo yami. Athi kodwa mntana wami ngiyabonga ngakho konke okuhle ongenzele kona. Ngithandwa zami khona ezinye izinto neminye iminyango namanye opportunities are not opened by your qualifications, are not opened by your degrees, are not opened by your intelligence. Kodwa ivulwa isalukwa sakho ngoba senkosi useyaphuma usibanibani hamba naye. So relationship no man with your phila noma ngasekho. Deuteronomy chapter 20, Deuteronomy chapter 5, Exodus chapter 20. It's the only one. The blessings lie akakazathi uNkulunkulu mazise saphile emhlabeni mesefila ungamazisi akakazi athi mazise mayisasebenza mayisephelelwe umsebenzi abe abethona akasho ukuthi uma wena usuyi-breadwinner yena mkhangiso kwenja uma esecela imali kuwena akubo wena osubukisa ngayo akashongo futhi ukuthi in your success me say old age home. I never understand how can I take my own mother and give me old age home. I got a children's home. I don't know how many times I kept her awake at night. I do not know how many times she was scared and I do not know how many times she had to answer. I cannot. But say, I'm indebted to you as long as you live and as long as I live. How's your relationship with your mom? How's your relationship with Baba? How's your relationship with Naya? The relationship is full of anger. It's full of hatred. And you soon realize the first gift to Gulu ever gave you, you hate it more than you hate life itself. The first part, how's my relationship with the Messiah? Second part, Lucas chapter 1, the annunciation in Maria. Young Jews, Maria but Joseph is not the father. My God, she's 13. She's 13. How do you deal with pregnancy when you are 13-year-old? Already betrothed to Joseph. And Joseph, we ask what you let and Maria, we ask what you make him jealous of Mulana. Says Maria. Joseph amhlamusalele nomusayo emsebenzini athi Maria angiyanqoqo umntwana kodwa abantu bangaboni ebese ngiyabaleka and it always worries me akayanga ngani uAnna noJoachim. Sometimes ingane zethu they go through so much and they don't come to us ziya kwenye indawo bese siyazonda. Why? Let me say this again, this is Zulu. Sometimes ingane zethu go through so much empilweni. Kodwa maseziyobhodla, maseziyokhuluma, maseziyoceba. Why ingezi kumina esibaba noma? Why ziye kumamncane? Why ziye kumamkhulu? Why ziye kumalume? Why ziye kumakhelwane? Maybe I have failed them. Maybe bakebeza kumina bathi man nenkinga ngathatha inkinga yakhe ngafonela bonke odadewethu nimbona usibani useMTC nimbona usibani useKPCC nimbona usibani useNzukuthi I told you in confidence. Why ufuna ukuthanda odadewenu ngosizi lwami? Why ufuna ukuthanda abantu bangeni ngosizi lwami? Khona abanye abantu banesingabazi impossible. But sasonke izinto ngazabo because emsebenzini uma fike zobona umhamba kubaba usibani lo uwena lo indawo usupheka ngake ekhaya indawo ujabeka ngaka indawo wena ungozi. They know so much about me engabatshelanga bona. Sometimes ingane zethu ayikwazi ukuzathina because we fail them. According to Isaiah uMaria thina sakhosi isikhathi ngithi uMaria wasuka wogibela uPha wofundiswa text. No, she's 13. Why hambing hour? Now what worries me as 13-year-old hamba yodwa emini nasebusuku funa usizo ngesaba. It always worries me uya la edrobheni la eThekwini khona labantwana la asibonisa ama street kids. Some of them are women, and they are raped every day. Some of them raped by our own officials. They cannot open the case of the case because the move it is a keeper. Don't raise any hand. Don't raise any hand. But inside this church, how many of us are struggling with depression right now? How many of us are suicidal right now? How many of our own women and children have been raped in this church and have never told a soul? I can see Maria Alba, 30-year-old, carries the heaviness, the burden of life. Yabaleke kulentaba. Balekela kwawe. Things get tough. People don't get you. Yamba. Khuluma nobani. Don't be fooled by the clothes we wear. Don't be fooled by the cars we drive. Don't be fooled by the smile we wear. Inside we are broken. See people sitting in families and homes and you think it's honky-dory. No. I was in my bedroom. You don't know what they go through. I get you, Maria, what is that? She must have what is that? Ever said that when I dog, Elizabeth, I make that one another someone. Get out the dance floor, Elizabeth. Elizabeth, you made one to Maria, and I can imagine Maria is frail. She's 13 years. She's frail. Agazile, Agazile. Okombona umuntu omaziyo angakutshela ukuthi uyagula kodwa ubuso bakhe bumtshela ukuthi sengiyagula. Elizabeth looks at Maria and she says something which most of us would probably never say. There are people who wait for your downfall. Kono munye umuntu ojajulisa ukuthi usuhlulekile. Kono munye umuntu ozothi umfonela esibanibani yazi ngidinga usizo lwakho esikoleni akuhambi kahle. The only thing I expect ukuthi ukutshela ukuthi akuhambi sebekuxoshile ebese thawu xesa mntakasisi abuyele ngalena athi kodwa ngasho. There are people who live on your downfall. One of my families, I was young and I send the money and smart. Hey, what do I have? What do I have? There are people who thrive when things don't go well in your life. There are families, I was celebrating. I was on the celebrate. He is so good about so convince what's up. I was too many. But the ones that made us on Sherena, if you do again. So go back on number one's view. If you look how they have failed, God, I don't want to live in trace. It's worse if family has turned their back on you. It's worse if your wife has turned her back on you. It's worse if your husband has turned his back on you. It's even worse if your children have turned their back on you. There was a way in There was a way in There was a Zazuti and saying, there was a woman who had them complaining, who's a way that you go over to Sebako, I love this woman because she's able to say, your pain is my pain. Your frustration is my frustration, but it doesn't have to end like this. Sitha somuntu wesifazane. Umuntu wesifazane. In all my years as a priest, 90% zenkinga yomuntu wesifazane is not a man, it's another woman. I'm going to make a general statement, and I'm sorry if it hurts. I apologize if it offends. But women, why do you hate yourselves so much? Frustrates me when I see innocent people suffer in the hand of a ruthless person. I see Elizabeth changing the narrative. Ethatha ulihlazo. Ethatha into omunye abengahlekisa ngayo. And it ends with me. It ends with us. Why Elizabeth is like this? Because we knew her. Because Azali. Because we chase her. Because she knows the pain. And when Elizabeth says, because I've suffered so much, and someone who there's something that speaks to me that is so much more. I don't want you to go through the pain I went through. Lithatha usemnyango, limfake ngaphakathi, lithatha usemsamo, limphose ngaphandle. Thandaza umhlaba. Thandaza umhlaba umalale phezulu uyaquqa. Athi ubani majabula usitha sami. Thandaza will never ever be guaranteed of who you are today. In the next week or two, you could lose everything and you find a ntombazana. If ungakholwa, go and look at COVID. If ungakholwa, hamba ubuke lutshini. If ungakholwa, hamba ubuka ama-floods. People lost everything. Abanye babo, their businesses will never come back. Noma kuthiwa bayathanda bathande. Abanye bathatha impesheni yokugcina and they've lost it. Wawashela umuzi wakho, awukho munye nawo. Wawageqekelwa imoto yakho, ayikho enye nayo. Wawantshontshelwa imoto and namanje uzakhokha installment. Ukhokhela into ekade yahamba. Umhlaba uyahlaba ube muhle.